Have you ever wished you had a personal assistant to take care of your endless to-do list? Life can get busy, and tasks, from the simple to the complex, can pile up. Wouldn't it be amazing if you could delegate these tasks to trustworthy, skilled individuals? Enter Doerbase, a revolutionary platform designed to connect those needing tasks done with those who have the skills to do them. Welcome to the world of Doerbase, where your tasks are our command. So, what exactly is Doerbase, you ask? Well, in a nutshell, Doerbase is a dynamic and innovative platform that strives to bridge the gap between tasks and talents. Its purpose: to connect those who have tasks at hand with the ones who have the right skills to accomplish them. Imagine having a plethora of tasks, from the mundane to the complex, all in one place. Maybe you need someone to clean your house, build a piece of furniture, or maybe you are in search of a skilled graphic designer for your next big project. Doerbase is the place to find the right person for the job. It's a bustling marketplace of skills and tasks, where a wide spectrum of activities, from everyday chores to professional assignments, find their perfect match. With Doerbase, no task is too big or too small. Now, let's meet the doers, the heroes of our platform. You see, doers aren't your average workers. They are independent contractors, each with their own unique set of skills and talents, ready to complete tasks for money. Picture a world where your skills are your currency, and you get to choose the tasks that match your passion and proficiency. Are you a whiz at assembling flat-pack furniture? Or perhaps you're a graphic design guru, a data entry dynamo, or an event staffing superstar? On Doerbase, you can do all of these, and so much more. Doers have the freedom to choose tasks that align with their skills, interests, and schedules. And the best part? They get paid for doing what they love and what they are good at. It's a win-win situation. Doers are the backbone of Doerbase, ready to tackle your tasks head-on. They are the hands that get the job done, turning your to-do list into a to-done list. Wondering how payments work on Doerbase? Let's demystify that. As opposed to typical platforms that act as a middleman, Doerbase empowers its users by letting them arrange payments directly. That's right, whether you're a customer or a doer, you get to negotiate the best deal that works for both parties. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Now, you might be wondering, what if I want to do something that isn't just about the money, something meaningful? Well, Doerbase has got that covered too with contribution jobs. These are tasks with a community service focus, where the rewards are not just financial, but also a sense of fulfillment. Contribution jobs are paid in a unique way. Instead of traditional currency, the rewards come in the form of Doerbase's internal currency. This allows doers to contribute their skills and time for causes they genuinely care about while still earning something in return. But it doesn't stop there. Are you passionate about a certain cause and wish to see it succeed? Doerbase allows users to donate towards these contribution jobs, increasing the rewards for the doers who take them on. This way, you can support the causes you're interested in, even if you don't have the time or skills to contribute directly. Whether it's a paid task or a contribution job, Doerbase ensures a smooth process. Ready to dive into the world of Doerbase? Picture a place where skills meet demand, where your time and talent can be exchanged for monetary rewards, or even contribute to a cause close to your heart. This is Doerbase. Whether you're an independent contractor looking to expand your reach, or someone in need of help. From as simple as cleaning or data entry to complex tasks like graphic design or event staffing, Doerbase is your go-to platform. It's user-friendly, efficient, and opens up a world of possibilities. As a doer, you get to choose tasks that match your skills and schedule, dictating your own earnings. As a customer, you get to delegate tasks to reliable doers, freeing up your time. And let's not forget those contribution jobs that let you earn while making a difference in the community. So, are you ready to embrace a new way of getting things done? Don't wait. Sign up for Doerbase today and transform the way you handle your tasks.